superbike to MotoGP isn't just a promotion, it's a transformation. It's like going from the state finals to the Olympics. In 2003, when Nicky Hayden was offered a seat on the Repsol Honda MotoGP team, he was stepping into a world ruled by legends. Rossi, Biaggi, Capirossi. Men with years of experience, layers of politics, and fan bases that stretched across continents. Nicky stepped in with his usual quiet confidence. No ego, no bravado. Just that relentless Hayden work ethic and a willingness to learn. He wasn't there to pretend he belonged, he was there to earn it. The Honda RC211V was a beast of a machine, torquey, unpredictable, and brutally fast. But Nicky approached it like he did everything else, one step at a time. He didn't crash out trying to prove a point. He adapted. He watched his telemetry. He studied Valentino's lines. He talked with the engineers, asked smart questions, and earned his stripes one session at a time. That first year he shocked people. He landed podiums, finished 5th in the world, a rookie on the world's biggest team delivering like a veteran. His teammates and competitors alike started calling him the Kentucky Kid, with both affection and respect. But there was one milestone Nicky and his fans were still waiting on, a MotoGP win. That all changed in 2005 at Laguna Seca. The energy was electric. An American racing on American soil, wearing the Repsol colors in front of a sea of US fans waving flags and holding signs. moment the lights went out, Nicky dominated. He led every lap with control, grit, and a quiet intensity that silenced every doubt. As he crossed the finish line, the crowd erupted. Nicky didn't just win, he owned it, and the emotion on his face said it all. This was more than a trophy. This was validation for the kid from Owensboro, for the family that raised him, for every fan that had believed all along. That victory at Laguna wasn't just a win, it was a spark. It proved Nicky could beat the best on the biggest stage, and it launched him into 2006 with something he had never raced with before, the undeniable belief that he could be world champion. By mid-season in 2006, Nicky was leading the points. Not with flashy wins, but with consistent, calculated finishes. While others gambled and crashed, Nicky finished, every time. Then came Portugal, a teammate's mistake, a collision. Nicky thrown into the gravel, his title hopes shattered in a blink. In the pits afterward, the cameras caught something raw. Tears, rage, and then resolve. He looked into the lens and said, "We're not done." He meant it. Valencia, the final round. Nicky had to beat Rossi, a living legend on his home turf. Against the odds, Nicky rode the race of his life. Not flashy, but flawless. When the checkered flag flew, the impossible had happened. Nicky Hayden was the MotoGP world champion. The paddock erupted. Teams from across the grid came to congratulate him. Not because he'd won, but because of how he'd won. With grace, with grit, with humility. This wasn't just a victory, it was a statement that a good person could win at the highest level. That character still mattered, that you could ride with honor and still finish first. This chapter of the board, the intense shaping, the pressure of fine-tuning, is a mirror to that season. Every cut has weight, every decision leaves a mark, but when it comes together, you create something worthy of the highest podium. This is for the comeback, for the doubted, for the champion who proved you don't need to be the loudest to be the greatest.